Hi everybody, I wanted to do a tutorial on something that I get asked a lot about. So because our fabric has a four-way stretch, you have to be very diligent in making sure that you tighten it enough before you put baby in. So I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks. So the first one is you start with the label above your bust. So instead of starting it at your waist, you start it above your bust. The second one is to get a X on your back without twisting the fabric. So check out how that looks. Once you've got your X on the back, you're going to want to make sure to tighten up those back panels and also the center panel. So the easiest way to do that is to grab the shoulder panel on both sides. So each side of the wrap is called a rail. So you want to grab both rails and lift up and forward. So that tightens the back of your wrap as you do that. So then you do the same on the other side. You grab both rails and you lift up and forward, and then that makes it nice and snug. Then you gather it all into your hand and you pass it under the center panel and just give it one last little fit check to make sure that you haven't lost any of that tightness as you pass it under that center rail. And as you can see, I'm just letting this guy with the label on it just like bunch right up. It doesn't have to keep laying flat against your stomach as you're tightening it. So then you have these in your hands and you're going to do that second X on your front and then take it behind you and do your double knot. So you can also cross it again in the back if you want. This is not required, but if you want to, you can cross it again in the back and then tie it either at the front, or I like to tie it on the side because then, sneaky little trick, I can use this pocket here to put a diaper and some wipes in, a credit card and a phone, and you can literally leave the house and go for a walk with just your wrap and your baby. That's it.